Yes, students. Now, fourth chapter has been prepared. Thinkers, beliefs, and buildings. Very valuable questions. The all questions will help you not only in board exam, but also all type of competitive exams. So, students, let's start. Two verses given below are written in this self of mine within the heart. The wind blows. This is surely a sacrifice. A. Kathopanishad. B. Brihadaranyaka. C. Mundak. D. Chandogya Upanishad. Yes, correct answer is Chandogya Upanishad. Yes, fine. Next. What is the subject matter of Vinay Pitaka? Philosophical matter, rules and regulations, teaching of Buddha, debate and discussion. Subject matter of Vinay Pitaka. Yes, correct answer is rule and regulation of Buddhism. Next question. When was first Buddha Council held? First council, 483 BC, 383 BC, 251 BC, and 78 CE. First Buddha Council. Yes, it was held in 483 BCE. Next. Who had considered Sanchi to be a center of tree and serpent worship? James Ferguson, H.S. Cole, Walter Elliot, John Marshall. Yes, tree and serpent worship. Yeah, fine. Correct answer is James Ferguson. Next. Mahayana, the sect of Buddhism, was started in period of A. Ashok, Chandragupta Maurya, Kanishk, Menander. Mahayana sect. Yes, it was divided in Kanishk. Who was the ruler when third Buddha Council held? Chandragupta Maurya, Ashok, Kanishk, Pushyagupta Shung. Third Buddha Council. Yes, the correct answer is Ashok. Next. The book Tajul Iqbal Tariq Bhopal, written by John Marshall, Alexander Cunningham, H.D. Busta, Ernest Mackay. Yes, it is very important book written by H.D. Busta. Next answer. The French sought permission to take away the eastern gateway of Sanchi Stoop from Noor Jahan Begum, Sultan Jahan Begum, Sartaj Jahan Begum, Shah Jahan Begum. Yes, French wanted to take away and they wanted permission. Yes, correct answer is Shah Jahan Begum of Bhopal. Abhidham Pitak was compiled by Anand, Upali, Bhatgamani, Mogliput Tism. Abhidham Pitak, the most important literature. Yes, Mogliput Tism. Next. Who had published the Bodh Gaya, the heritage of Shakyamuni? H.H. Cole, Rajendra Lal Mitra, James Ferguson, John Marshall. Bodh Gaya, the heritage of Shakyamuni. Yes, it was written Rajendra Lal Mitra. Yes, next question is, in which two white marble was used first time? In Sanchi, Amravati, Bharut, Kosambi. White marble was used first time. Yes, correct answer is Amravati. Next. A prayer to Agni verse is taken from Samved, Yajurved, Atharved, Rigved. Prayer to Agni. Yes, correct answer is Rigved. See next. who had focused on the motive is several pillars related to Buddhism that was derived from popular tradition. Colin Mackenzie, James Ferguson, Walter Elliot, H.D. Barstow. Yes, the correct answer is James Ferguson. See next. Bhikkhus may accept 2 or 3 bowlful in they so desired more than that, except from taken from Vinay Pitak, Sut Pitak, Abhidham Pitak, Ashok Vadan. Yes, the expert taken from Vinay Pitak. Fine. Next, Mahaparinirvan and excerpt taken from Vinay Pitak, Abhidham Pitak, Ashok Vadan, Sut Pitak. Mahaparinirvan. Yes, it has been taken from Sut Pitak. See next. According to Jain religion, before Mahavir, how many thinkers were there? 20, 21, 24, and 23. Yes, correct answer is 23. Mahavir was the 24th Tirthankar. Next, which temple was built in 8th century from rock cutting? Bradeshwar Temple, Tirupati Balaji Temple, Kailashnath Temple, none of these. 8th century rock cutting temple. Yes, correct answer is Kailashnath Temple in Maharashtra. Next, who was the president of Third Buddha Council? Vasumitra, Charak, Mowgli Putra Tis, Anand. Who presided Third Council? Yes, correct answer is Mowgli Putra Tis. Next, the birthplace of Buddhism. Kapilvastu, Risipatan, Kushinagar, Lumbini. 1. Birthplace of Buddhism. Yeah, correct answer is Risipatan. Next, now it is called Sarnath. Which text dealt with philosophical matters? Abhidham Pitak, Vinay Pitak, Ashok Vadan, Sut Pitak. Philosophical matters. Yeah, it has been taken Abhidham Pitak. Yes. Which of the following statement correct? Vardhaman came to be known as Mahavir in the 6th century BC. He belonged to Sakya clan. Jain scholar produced a wealth of literature in Pali and Sanskrit. Yes, go through properly all 3 statements. Yeah, correct answer is only one. Only one is the correct answer. Next, Gautam Buddha had advised the wealthy householder named Singhal in 5 ways that master should look after his servant and employees. Vinay Pitak, Sut Pitak, Abhidham Pitak, Majjhim Nikaya. Yes. The correct answer is, this is an excerpt from Sut Pitak. See next. Which one of the following statement correct? Buddha was born in Sanchi. Buddha attained enlightenment in Lumbini. Buddha delivered his first sermon in Bodh Gaya. Buddha attained Mahaparinirvan at Kushinagar. Yes, students, go through all 4 statements. The correct is D. Kushinagar. See next. According to Jainism, who was the 23rd Tirthankar? Eknath, Bhairanath, Adinath, Parshvanath. 23rd Tirthankar according to Jainism? Correct answer is Parshvanath, just before Lord Mahavir. Next, which are the following statement correct? Rigved was compiled between 500 and 100 BC. The Rigved consists the hymns in praise of the variety of deities. The hymns from Rigved when sacrifices were performed. Go through all three statements. Yes, correct answer is only 2 and 3. 1 is wrong. Fine. See next. Describe conversation between Magad king Ajatasattu and Gautam Buddha. Vinay Pitak, Sut Pitak, Abhidham Pitak, Deepvansh. Conversation between Ajatasattu and Gautam Buddha has been taken from Sut Pitak. See next. Sut Pitak was compiled by Ajatasattu, Upali, Anand, Sariputra. Sut Pitak, the most important literature of Buddhism. Yeah, it was compiled by Anand. See next. Jain text is written in Prakrit, Sanskrit, Tamil. All of these Jain text written. Yeah, correct answer is all of these. All languages were used. See next. Which ruler was not contemporary of Gautam Buddha? Bimbisar, Kalashok, Ajatasattu, Prasenjit. Which was not contemporary of? Yeah, it was. Yes, correct answer is Kalashok. He was not contemporary of Gautam Buddha. See next. Where did Gautam Buddha deliver his first sermon? Sanchi, Pataliputra, Bodh Gaya, Sarnath. First sermon. Yes, correct answer is Sarnath. Yes. See next. In which year Sanchi Stupa was designated as UNESCO's World Heritage Site? 1988, 1989, 1990, 1996. UNESCO's World Heritage Site. Yeah, correct answer is 1989. See next. Which text describes the nature of the self of mind within the heart? Abhidham Pitak, Chandogya Upanishad, Kathopanishad, Upang. Yes. Correct answer is Chandogya Upanishad. See next. Consider the following statement regarding Sangh. Mahapajapati Gautami persuaded Gautam Buddha to allow women into the Sangh. Many women who entered the Sangh became teachers of Dham and went on to become theories. Once within the song, all were regarded as equal. Yeah, go through all statements. Now try to see. Yeah, correct answer is only 2 and 3 correct. See next. Which Gautam Buddha Council was held out of Bihar? First Council, Second Council, Third Council, Fourth Council. Out of Bihar means all three councils were held in Bihar. It was yeah. Correct answer is Fourth Council. See next. The evidence of changes in Buddhist ideas and practice developed in Pataliputra, Kundalgram, Vaishali, Rajgrah. Changes in Buddhist ideas and practices developed in, yes, it was in Kundalgram, Kashmir. See next. The Vara or bow avatar of Vishnu rescuing the earth goddess depicted in Amravati, Potan, Ahol, Ajanta, Vara and Bor Avatar. Yes, taken from Ahol. See next. Where first Buddh Council was held, Rajgrah, Patliput, Vaishali, Srinagar. First Buddh Council 483 BCE, it was held in Rajgrah. See next. A temple in Devgarh in 5th century CE is in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. Devgarh. Yes, it is in. Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. See next. It seems to me a suicidal and indefensible policy to allow the country to be looted of original work on ancient art, stated by Colin Mackenzie, Walter Elliott, John Marshall, H.H. Cole. It's a very important statement stated by, correct answer is H.H. Cole. Siddharth had belonged to which kingdom? Kaushal, Magad, Vajji, Shakya. Correct answer is Shakya. Yes, see next. Monastic existence is a necessary condition of salvation. Accordingly, which of the following essentially desirable to attain salvation in Jainism? Being forgiven to other fellow human being, live a free life from possessions and ties, follows the path of non-violence and truth, concentration on performing karma. Correct answer is live a free life from possessions. And who had published Monuments of Sanchi? The Monuments of Sanchi, H.H. Cole and James Ferguson, John Marshall and Alfred Foster, James Ferguson and Ramraj, John Marshall and H.H. Cole. The Monuments of Sanchi. Correct answer is John Marshall and Alfred Foster. See next. Which one is not considered in Tripitak? Abhidhamma Pitak, Vinay Pitak, Sut Pitak, Ashok Vadan. Which is not considered in Tripitak. Yes, correct answer is Ashok Vadan. See next. Who was the Commissioner of Guntur in 1854? Walter Elliott, Colin Mackenzie, Alexander Cunningham, H.D. Basto. Commissioner of Guntur in Andhra Pradesh. Yes, Walter Elliott. Yes. Dash had visited the site of Amravati Stoop and found several pieces of sculpture. Walter Elliott, Colin Mackenzie, John Marshall, H.H. Cole. Visited at Sanchi at Amravati Stoop. Correct answer is Colin Mackenzie. See next. In which place Buddhism was divided? Kundalgram, Patliput, Vaishali, Rajgrah. Buddhism was divided. After that it was called Mahayan and Hinayan. It was divided in the 4th council, Kundalgram, in the period of Kanishk. Consider the following statement. Jainism was started by Rishabdev. Lord Mahavir was 24th Tirthankar of Jainism. Teaching of Jainism are given in Anga. Jainism started sanghs to spread its message. Go through all 4 statements. Yes, correct answer is B. A, 1 and 2 correct statements. When was the first stoop found? 6th century BC, 5th century BC, 4th century BC, 3rd century BC. First stoop was found? Yeah, 3rd century BCE. See next. Vinay Pitak was compiled by Upali, Anand, Mogliputra, Sariputra. Vinay Pitak was compiled by, correct answer is Upali. Yes. Next. The center of Jain religion is mercy towards other beings, non-violence towards other beings, love towards other beings. Other beings are God. Yes. Non-violence towards other beings. So all the best. Keep revising all the previous chapters also, and please subscribe and share the channel. Once again, all the best to all of you.